Welcome to Next Bite Studio. There's something magical about bread. It's simple, humble, just flour, water, yeast, but when done right, it becomes a whole vibe. And in India, that magic has a name, pav. But hold up, before pav became a street food icon, it had a bit of a travel story. Let's rewind. Way back, when the Portuguese rolled into India in the 16th century, they brought more than just spices and ships. They brought their bread. The word pão in Portuguese means bread. Indians, being the geniuses we are, took that idea, added some desi love, and what came out was softer, fluffier, more comforting, pav. At first, pav was baked in wood-fired ovens, fermented with toddy. Yeah, the same toddy from palm trees. It was cheap, filling, and it became the people's bread. Fast forward, and pav is everywhere. Mumbai streets, full of vada pav stalls. Late-night misal pav cravings, legendary. Sloppy keema pav on a Sunday morning, heaven. But here's the thing, nothing beats homemade pav. That smell when it's rising, the softness when you press it, the way it pulls apart like a dream, it hits different. And that's why I made this video. Because somewhere in between the bakery shelves and the street stalls, we forgot how beautiful and easy it is to make pav at home. I want to bring that back with this recipe that's so simple, even your neighbor who only makes Maggie can pull it off. And while I'm kneading the dough and waiting for it to rise, let me tell you a bit about my story. I grew up surrounded by food, flavors, aromas, chaos in the kitchen. Every recipe was a story, and I always knew, one day, I'd turn that into something bigger. That's how Next Bite Studio was born. A space where recipes aren't just tutorials. They're pieces of culture, bits of memory, and a whole lot of fun. So if you're here for perfect pav buns, you're in the right place. But if you're here for stories, for that emotional connection with food, stick around. We're just getting started. Also, real talk. If you're watching this and thinking, but I don't bake, don't sweat it. This recipe is beginner-friendly AF. No stand mixer. Use your hands. No oven. Try an air fryer or pressure cooker hack. I got you. What you'll get at the end is worth every second of effort. Golden tops, buttery sides, soft and airy center. Pure joy. And when you take that first bite, with butter melting on top, maybe a pinch of masala, or dipped into a spicy curry, just pause. That's not just food. That's history, culture, and love in bun form. So hey, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Next Bite Studio. We're baking more than just bread, we're baking stories. Let's get into it. If you're feeling the vibe, hit like, smash subscribe, and drop a comment. See you next time.